Hello, everybody. It is time for your sentences for this week. And the story this week is called Half Chicken. And we have prefixes going on our words. So you have a word, but it has something that comes before it, like un or re. So you are going to be writing those words this week. So the number one word is unhappy. Does this make you unhappy? Unhappy. Number two, retell. Can she retell her story? Retell. Number three, untangle. She has to untangle all her jewelry. Untangle. Number four, unkind. That was an unkind thing to say. Unkind. Number five, repaint. You can repaint the walls. Repaint. Number six, refill. May I please refill my water bottle? Refill. Number seven, unlike. It was unlike her to act that way. Unlike. Number eight, remake. The remake is not as good as the first one. Remake. Number nine, unpack. Now that I'm home, I can unpack. Unpack. Number 10, reread. You must reread that book. You must reread your book before you can take a test. Reread. Number 11, unlocks. The key unlocks that door. Unlocks. Number 12, replay. Will you replay the funny part of the movie? Replay. Number 13, unreal. The view was unreal because it was so pretty. Unreal. Number 14, rethink. Rethink the math problem. Rethink. Number 15, Number 15, rewrite. You need to rewrite the sentence. Rewrite. And the last one, number 16, unable. He is unable to ride a bike. Unable. All right. Those are your sentences this week. You will also be taking your test on those words, so make sure you know them. Thank you.